Do I? I suppose I do. Well, in that case, it seems to me there's only one thing to do.
Professor, we could still use the country house while my folks are away, and I only need 24-hour notice to rent the helicopter. Okay, you're all hooked up. Now, you won't need any luck. Happy landing.
There better be. We both have a 9 o'clock class.
We'll make it.
Hey, Jane, there's a helicopter taking off from the Westover place.
Give me a look, Jeff.
Yeah, here.
What's that thing hanging down?
Let me see. I can't tell. It's pretty strange, though. Yeah, keep an eye on it. Jane, put through a call to the LA dispatcher. Get help up here in a double. That copter's going to be hard to reach even by jeep.
This response was off the beaten track in more ways than one. We'd had plenty of help from whirlybirds on rescue jobs, but this was the first time we'd been sent out to rescue one. The ranger explained that the copter had come down about a mile off the main road and that our truck wouldn't be able to get through.
Lemon? Anyone?
No, thank you.
Tell us how you persuaded Oliver to give it up, Irma.
Oliver makes his own decisions about everything.
Really? How clever of him. Oh, I know if my Henry didn't have me to manage his affairs, but of course, Henry is only an instructor, not the head of a department.
Of course.
Oh, now, Irma, fess up. You do guide Oliver slightly, don't you? In little things, like, sending cartoons from the student paper to the dean.
Excuse me. Hello? No, David Westover isn't here. This is Professor Lawrence's home.
Then let me talk to the professor. I'm Mac Thomas of Thomas Charter Planes. Him and the Westover kid are supposed to be together. They rented one of my helicopters this morning.
Helicopter? Well, why would my brother want to rent it?
Listen, lady, is he there or isn't he? I called because I picked up a call on my shortwave set about a chopper that's down in the area they were supposed to be going to. If they're not back yet, they're not coming. What do you mean, what am I going to do? It's my copter that crashed. I'm heading out there. Yeah, sure. I'll pick you up on the way.
Helicopter? Isn't Oliver's halo slipping a bit?
The copter had already slipped a few feet lower by the time I got to it, and every loose rock might be a keystone. One wrong step, and the whirlybird would turn into a bobsled with an unconscious rider on the stick.
Take
it easy, boy. You're gonna be all right. Just take it easy, man. Wait a minute. Leave it there.
The boy was in shock and had what looked to be a fractured jaw. The freak part of it was that he was still very much alive. He must have been bounced around like a sock in a washing machine.
Professor, it's gonna be all right now, son. Professor, Send down the black bag, Skip. Here it comes. Watch out for the falling shale. Help! Help me! On the way, Skip! I'm here. Help.
Like a fractured jaw.
Yeah. Let's get him back to cut off. Ambulance should be there by now.
Something sure is bugging this kid.
Maybe hitting the side of a mountain had something to do with that, Skip. Let's get him in a jeep. Be all right, ma'am.
Son, that's Dave. Where's my brother?
Suddenly, we're made aware of a possible second victim who could have been anywhere in these hills.
Dave, listen to me. Professor Lawrence, where is he?
That's only a direction. Could be anywhere in those hills. This man can't talk.
Yeah. You got a pencil and a piece of paper?
You can give us a direction, son.
What I had mistaken for fear and hysteria was really concern. He had been struggling against the possibility that another man's fate could be sealed by his injured jaw.
Going down, Skip.
This time it's my turn.
Okay. Let's tie off on the jeep.
Please hurry.
Hold it, Skip. Hold it. Shale's too dangerous.
Skip couldn't make a direct drop to the victim without the danger of starting a slide that might bring half the hill down on him. If the helicopter were in working order, we could have picked him off the side of the hill without danger of earth slides.
It looks like it's pretty solid.
Yeah, let's hope so.
Skip's angle drop would not take him directly to the victim. He would have to make his way across the side of the hill and back, choosing every step with the utmost caution.